The 1960 Plymouth Plainsman stands as a rare and intriguing vehicle, blending futuristic design with bold American styling. Though not widely produced, this concept-inspired wagon remains a fascinating piece of automotive history. It reflects an era of ambitious design, showcasing features that were ahead of their time while embodying the distinct styling trends of the late 1950s and early 1960s. The exterior of the Plymouth Plainsman is characterized by sweeping body lines, dramatic tail fins, and an elongated wagon profile. The front end features a wide grille with prominent chrome accents, flanked by dual headlamps that enhance its commanding presence. The long, sculpted hood and wraparound windshield add to the futuristic styling cues. The rear showcases bold tail fins, a signature of Chrysler's design language at the time, along with uniquely styled taillights that complete its distinctive look. The overall design emphasizes elegance and aerodynamics, making it stand out from conventional station wagons of the era. Under the hood, the Plymouth Plainsman is powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering smooth yet powerful performance. While different configurations were considered, a 318 cubic inch V8 producing around 230 horsepower was one of the most commonly associated engines. This provided strong acceleration and a refined driving experience. The engine is paired with Chrysler's Torque-Flight automatic transmission, ensuring effortless gear shifts and comfortable highway cruising. The push-button gear selector, a hallmark of Chrysler engineering during this period, adds to the futuristic feel of the vehicle. The dashboard features a symmetrical layout with large, easy-to-read gauges, while the steering wheel showcases a classic two-spoke design. The rear seating area is designed for both comfort and practicality, making it ideal for families or long road trips. Generous cargo space adds to its versatility, reinforcing its identity as a premium station wagon. The ride quality of the Plymouth Plainsman is smooth and composed, thanks to its advanced suspension system. The torsion bar front suspension provides a comfortable driving experience, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The rear leaf spring setup ensures stability, even when carrying passengers and luggage. The braking system, consisting of four-wheel drum brakes, offers reliable stopping power for its time. Power steering and optional power brakes contribute to a refined driving feel due to its limited production and concept origins. The Plymouth Plainsman remains a highly collectible vehicle. Few examples exist today, making it a rare sight in classic car circles. Its combination of unique styling, powerful performance, and historical significance adds to its desirability among automotive enthusiasts. This classic station wagon represents a bold vision from Plymouth, showcasing an era when automakers pushed design boundaries.